ay si Hakeem FPJ ng Sugeco Residence.
Hindi! Si FPG to!
Next, Ismayang from Dimalanta Residence. Last, but definitely not the least, Gia from Nunez Residence.
Di mo maintindihan kung bakit nagawa. Nag-iisa ako, medyo kinakabahan. Tinamaan yata at di na mapigilan pa. Bahala na, basta ako ngayon'y magsasaya lang. Oh yeah. Sumalang ka lang, bakit ang susumalang?
Daya. Anong daya? Porket tinalo ka lang, edi madaya na. Hindi ba pwedeng mas may talent at mas magaling ka sa sayo?
Nana.
And now, I know everybody is talented and very good, but i-announce ko na kung sino ang winner. And the winner is, drum roll please, and the grand champion of Kasambahay Got Talent, the winner is